guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. What? I say I'm back, and I'm better. If this is your first time clicking on my video, my name is Edwina Dorbar and welcome to Dwayne's World. If you've been on my channel and you subscribe to my channel, I just want to say thank you for coming and clicking on this video. As you guys can tell from the title of the video today, I'm going to be doing a review on this beautiful bob right here that I purchased on TikTok shop. But before we get into the video today, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and join the I'm Back and Better squad. You guys can go ahead and check out all my social platforms. They're going to be linked right here on the screen or in the description box below. Don't forget to go ahead and share this video with your friends and families. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like this, and let's get right into the video. Today I'm super excited to share with you guys this ready to go bob wig from West Kiss Hair. I purchased this hair on TikTok shop, and this is their 7x4 10 inches bob wig. This hair is on a cheaper end. When I purchased it, they were on sale. I got this hair for $58.89, I think, and I am loving it. This is not no sponsorship. This is not no sending me a hair or pay me. This is my honest review, and I bought this hair myself. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, which I never do, but this is my money's worth, okay? If you're someone who wants something very simple, low maintenance, and beginners friendly, go ahead and purchase this hair. I think this will be a great fit for you. This hair is just very bouncy. You can comb the hair through it. You don't see nothing shedding. It's very thick. Love it, love it, love it. You can put your own layers into it. It's up to you. I'm just loving the hair. Oh, it's giving Black Girl Magic. Ah! Go ahead and purchase it and thank me later. Overall, I'm really impressed with this hair and was not expecting it to look like this. The fact that it's ready to go glueless and it's beginners friendly, I would literally point you to go ahead and purchase this hair. This hair is soft, full, bouncy, and it comes right out the box. You can slip it on your head, but because I wanted it looking like my own hair and coming out of my scalp, I went ahead and put some spray down so the hair can stay on. And I'm gonna be working the next couple days, so I wanted this hair to sit overnight so I can just get up in the morning, curl it a little bit or something and then go to work. So this is what the hair looks like. It's so cute, especially for the price of almost $60. Run and go ahead and get this hair. West Kids hair, you did your big one. You ate that up. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to go ahead and share with your friends and families. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. And don't forget to go ahead and check out all my social platforms. They're going to be linked right here on the screen or in the description box below. If you're a brand out there who wants to work with me, go ahead and send me an email. It's going to be in my bio or the description box below. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.